I think I'll go for a walk. What is this? Sorry. I can't get out. It's so sticky. Oh my god. What the f? Now I got myself more stuck. Somebody help me.
Oh my god. What happened?
What do you think happened? Get me out of this trap.
Okay, I'll try. Crap. Now I'm stuck too.
Great. Now we'll never get out. Whoa. What's all this? It's glue.
Hey, I need some of that. Thanks.
Don't worry guys. I'll get you out. Oh no. My antenna is stuck. Jeez. This glue would have been great to fix Thunderbolt's pole, after he broke it from Caramel Dancing. The glue dried up.
Who did this to us?
It was probably P50. He's gone to a whole new level. He's never done this before. How do you know it was P50? It could have been Dry Blaster, or ATI. P50 is the meanest, so that's what I'm guessing.
Well, we're just gonna have to wait for someone to help us.
Okay, it's time to do something delinquent. P50, what are you up to? No good. That's what. That is so nasty. P50, why did you do this? You got us all stuck. What? You think I did that? You did it to yourselves. You stepped in it without watching out.
Wait, you didn't do this?
Nope. Well, can you get us out? Please. I beg of you. No way. Speaking of the devil, there's delinquency inside me and I must unleash it. Besides, I have a date with Tia Schlitz tonight. You won't get away with this. You barf bucket. Oh great. The glue is dried up, so there is no way to get out. Really? Yep. Get comfortable. I think we're gonna be here for a while.
Get out of what? Oh my god. What in TSM world is that?
It is super glue, and it dried up all over us, gluing us to the ground.
Whoa.
Wait a minute. Screamer. Since the glue is dried up, you won't get stuck. Now you can get us out.
Oh. Okay, hold in. I'll be right back.
Where are you going?
To go get more sirens. What is it, Screamer? Follow me.
Oh my god. What in TSM world happened? Some idiot trapped us in glue. And we got stuck. Get us out of here.
Okay, 2001 TCEOWS 408 and T128. Grab onto me and hold in tight. P-50, I am going to pull you out.
Yay. I'm free. Now STH-10 and KM-1200, grab onto me. All the other ones hold into me too.
Yay. Thanks for saving us.
Yep. We appreciate you guys.
P50, what is the meaning of this?
You'll see, cutie.
Don't call me cutie.
Hey P50. Huh? Wait. I thought you were stuck in glue. I got help from Screamer, and I know you put the glue trap. I just know it was you. I didn't freaking do it. Nah, beat it. I'm dating Tia.
What the heck?
And by the way, P-50, you ain't even a real character. You're just a clone of me. Nah, goodbye.
No. Why would I date you when you're so delinquent and mean? Get out of my life. Deal with it.
Chrome doesn't have a mind, know what it's showing you. Zoom coming from behind, bet what I'm gonna do.
Now look what you did. You made Tia disintegrate me. Huh? Watch this. Oh man. Now I'm stuck. Who did this?
How do you like it? Huh? How do you like it?
You idiot. I told you I didn't get you stuck.
Lies. Lies.
He's right. It wasn't him. It was me.
What? No, ATI, you ain't much of a jerk like P50. That is so annoying.
Yep, it was ATI.
So, that was ATI's trap, and not P50's?
Yep.